If you're seeing an encoding error in Microsoft Word, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the encoding error in Microsoft Word so you can open your file properly and get back to editing without frustration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and go up to the File menu. From there, click Options. This will open the Word Options window, where you can adjust advanced settings that control how Word opens and converts files. Next, in the left-hand menu, click Advanced. Now scroll down through the advanced settings until you find the General section. This is where one important setting can make a big difference when Word has trouble reading a file correctly. Look for the option that says Confirm File Format Conversion on Open. Go ahead and check that box. By enabling this setting, Word will ask you to confirm the file format before opening it, which can help prevent or resolve encoding-related issues when the document is being read. Once you've checked that option, click OK to save your changes. After that, close the document completely and reopen the file again. This refreshes the way Word handles the file and often fixes the encoding error right away. If the file opens normally this time, then the issue is solved. You can continue working as usual and save the document in the correct format if needed. If you still run into problems, double-check that the file itself isn't corrupted and that you're opening the right version. But in most cases, this simple setting is the fix you need. So, just to recap, go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll to General, turn on Confirm File Format Conversion on Open, then close and reopen the file. That's the quick fix for an encoding error in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.